Talking about me, I like my things to be organized, be it my wardrobe or my business. In business, it's quite difficult to organize all the data. Keeping the data organized and presenting it virtually through pie charts and diagrams. That's what business analytics is all about. As the name itself suggests, analysis plus statistics equals analytics. Now you might have a question in your mind. How can you analyze your data and present it virtually? Well, Digital Gurukul has come up with the solution. To know more about business analytics, we at Digital Gurukul are hosting a detailed webinar in which we will tell you about the high scope in this industry, importance of business analytics, and the pay scale and high demand of business analysts. For more details, visit our website www.digitalgurukul.in or call us on 9584 831 230. Register now.